Hi students, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video, we are going to cover class ninth chapter Circle students of class 9 exercise 12.3 third sum. Okay, what is given in a triangle XYZ, XY equal to 4.8, angle X equal to 60 degrees, angle Y equal to 70 degrees. Draw a triangle and construct circumcircle. Okay, let's start. First, draw a base XY of length 4.8 centimeters students. First, draw a base of length 4.8 centimeters. This is 4.5, 4.8. Okay. This is X, this is Y, 4.8 centimeters. Now, take a protractor. Take a protractor and mark at 60 degrees from the point X students. Mark point 60. Okay, so join this line. This is angle 60. Okay, similarly keep protracted point Y and mark it 70 degrees students. Join this line also. Okay, this one keep it as angle 70. Now take perpendicular bisectors of any two sides students. Take perpendicular bisectors of any two sides. Take down first base and other side. Take more than of length with center X. Draw an arc with center Y. Cut an arc. Now join these two lines. Okay, again take one more side. I am taking this side. This is Z students. Okay, take more than of exit side. Draw an arc. Draw an arc here also with Y as center, so Z as center. Cut an arc. Now join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Okay, now these 2 points are meeting at a point, common point, that is called S students, circumcenter. Okay, circumcenter. Now with S as center, Z as radius, X as radius, Y as radius, S2 Z, S2 X, S2 Y is same students. Okay, with S as center, draw the circle. Okay, this is a circumcircle students for the given dimensions. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.